Bon, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour la suite. C'est la fin du let's play sur Dispatch. Je dis fin parce que ça y est, je vais tourner mes deux derniers épisodes d'un coup. J'ai fait 3 sessions au total, 3 sessions hyper stimulantes, j'ai envie de dire. Un jeu, vous avez compris, qui me prend aux tripes. On s'était quitté sur le dernier épisode, c'était chaud. C'était vraiment chaud, la mort de Chase. Enfin, je suppose qu'il est mort malheureusement. Elle est hardcore, je trouve. Elle a été très bien amenée malheureusement. Bref, on y va. Découverte de l'épisode 7 qui s'appelle Rétrospective. Et ça va faire mal. Quel jeu extraordinaire. Vraiment. Hmm.
I'm too old to be crying.
Ok, flashback sur Mechaman.
No, you're
Nice.
not. I cry all the time.
Really? When?
When I was your age, I cried for weeks when the Raiders left LA.
Yeah, that's
2003.
totally the
Oh,
fucking
j'adore
same as my
l'incrustation.
dad never being home.
Whoa, motherfucker. Language.
Ah, c'est Chase du coup.
And it was the same. My pops had season
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
tickets growing up. Seats sucked, but I just liked being there with them. So, yeah, when they moved, I was crying like a little bitch too.
Are you saying I'm crying like a bitch?
Yes, bitch. That's exactly what I'm saying. What do you want from the store? Your dad gave me 100 and I gotta break the shit anyway.
He pays you?
To be around your crying bitch ass? Fuck yeah, he pays me.
Son babysitter?
Now, come on,
Dingue.
whatever you want. Just make it less than $20, cause I'm not trying to go broke every time you get low.
Des Twinkies.
Can I get a Twinkie?
Hey, cause you're crying, you can have two.
They come in 2-packs.
No shit, kid. I was joking. Keep up.
Ouais.
There, bitch. You happy now?
Là, il se rendait pas compte qu'il vieillissait.
Yeah, whoa. Now you can be sad like 8 more times before bothering me.
I didn't realize you two were that close. That it went back that far.
Hmm. Il est encore en vie, a priori. Ouais, j'aurais dû compter le contact.
Should have kept in touch. But for a long time, seeing him reminded me that my dad was gone.
I'm sorry.
Chase would only babysit nights when Dad had to deal with something big. Working late, he called it. It was fine being alone, but I'd still ask to have him watch me because I could guilt trip him into buying me shit. He never said no. I made him run a lot back then.
Right.
Tu m'étonnes.
So maybe one less store run for bitch-ass Robert and he wouldn't be stuck in here.
Ouais,
That's what you're
c'est
saying,
l'idée.
right?
I
C'est ce
mean,
qu'il dit.
it was, but now that you put it like that,
Hey, the only person that put Chase here. Pending the investigation, Invisigal suspended. Obviously. But
Évidemment.
I
Chaud.
think you should consider cutting her from the team.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying you should consider it. It's 100% your call.
I'm worried
Ouais,
something like that might just make things worse.
je pense que ça aggraverait les choses, ouais. Aïe.
Yeah. It's just. I
Oui,
can't
c'est
help
vrai,
but
c'est
think
vrai,
that
c'est vrai.
we've already
C'est
cut a
vrai.
hero for far less.
Coupé.
We had to send a message.
That's kind of my point.
Just gets better and better.
Vending machine?
Whatever I want.
Twinkies.
He's so fucking proud of the man you've become. He told me that.
Euh, un pur banger. Un pur banger ce jeu. Ouais. C'est Aquaboy. Oui, bah oui.
You okay, bud?
It's just. I'm just mad.
Yeah. I'm a little mad too.
I can't. It's not fair. Invisigal was the one who. And then Chase shouldn't have. Do you think he did the right thing? I mean, I don't. It seems very not clear.
Je
Unclear.
pense que oui. Franchement, vu
I
l'analyse
think
qu'on en a
Chase
faite, oui.
knew he was the only one who could save her, and he
Ouais.
knew the risk.
Bien sûr. Bien
So
sûr.
yeah, I think it was ultimately the right thing. Fuck. Case in point.
J'aurais fait pareil.
Feel better?
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
Et ça fait plaisir du coup. Bon, et ben putain, faut retourner aux missions là. Oh la vache.
Hey. So, you've all probably heard some version of what happened. Let's get to it. Main takeaways are that Invisigal has been suspended, so we're a person down the shift, and that Chase is in the infirmary. And he's in pretty rough shape. Despite his disposition, he really likes you all.
Oh, il est sur la lune, putain.
Just
Trop
don't tell him
fort.
I told you that.
Trop fort.
I've found doing something good always helps when I'm feeling bad.
Je l'aime bien cette équipe Z.
We're fortunate to have that opportunity. Something Chase never took for granted. So, let's get to work.
Ok, bon, Invisigal est évidemment suspendu, donc on y va. Ah oui, putain, j'ai beaucoup de trucs de niveau. On fait un petit point niveau. Charisme, intelligence, charisme. Toi, ah bah, pareil, on va te mettre en deuxième là-dessus. Putain, c'est toi qui prends tout aujourd'hui? Non. Toi, t'as un point, on va te mettre dans vigueur. Toi, avec mobilité encore. Ensuite, charisme. Toi, tu vas prendre en combat. Toi, en combat aussi. Et golem, en combat également. Tout le monde est bon. On y va. Putain, il pleut et tout, c'est... C'est dans la méta. On va essayer de se concentrer un peu. Traîner une douzaine de baleines de 25 tonnes dans l'océan. Donc on va prendre lui. Et les déplacer le plus vite possible avant qu'un attroupissement se forme. Voilà. On va mettre les deux là. On va essayer de réussir l'émission. Sans qu'on a moins d'énergie que l'épisode précédent forcément.
Upchuck's rugby team lost, and he's throwing a very toxic tantrum.
Recourir à la force pour appréhender ce méchant, pardon. Profite de la pluie pour terroriser les civils au stade. Ok. On va prendre ça et ça.
Somebody's got it. I think the rain caused one of those Volta Virtue cars to short out.
Un petit
I think
hacking.
this driver's lost control.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Ça, j'imagine que c'était logique. Ouais, du coup j'ai pas le code, faut aller le chercher. On va se mettre à gauche. Alors le code A4 c'est gauche, droite, droite, gauche. Gauche, droite, droite, gauche en gros. Gauche, droite, droite, gauche. Je vais l'amener avec moi lui. Vas-y viens. Vas-y fais-toi cramer. Parfait. Attends, l'ambiance est morbide, même pour moi là c'est compliqué. Terrible ce qui s'est passé. Ok. Ça c'est réussi. Baleine ou choué, je pense qu'ils auraient... Logiquement ils ont réussi. Et voilà. 100%. Bien joué. Là on a un problème.
Right, definitely don't mention
On a envoyé
that
le bon.
part, but, can you go
Compif.
talk to him?
Yeah, happy to. What if you ever got around to adopting that dog?
Parfait. Oh, la musique elle est... Enfin, le son d'ambiance est horrible.
Golem?
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Oh, Golem's shit-face. I think he's about to piss mud
Ah
on
d'accord.
high school.
Golem est
I
torché,
know
tu
I
vois.
saw him pulling over a beer truck earlier. I did think that was weird.
Come on, buddy. Spit it out.
I'm vomiting this shift.
Ah bah super.
Golem,
Qu'est-ce qui lui arrive?
I get it. I want to get shit-faced right now more than anything, but we've got a job to do.
Oh,
and
le
I need all
pauvre.
of you to just hang in there until the end of the shift. After that, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Cool?
Mort.
Can someone please go get
Pauvre
Golem
Golem.
before he does more property damage?
Protéger Golem de ses propres démons et le ramener au SDH. Calmer les civils furieux à cause de l'état de leur voiture. Ouais. On va mettre les deux là. En haut à gauche.
So we've got a super down here who controls bugs.
Centralisé.
Apparently we have beef with one of our farmers using pesticides. It's getting real biblical down here.
On va mettre... On va mettre ça.
Made the fucking rain. Flying's a bitch, you can't see shit. The streets turned into a goddamn slip and slide.
I fucking love slip and slides, bro.
I haven't seen
L'ambiance
you
est à
down
chier,
here
c'est terrible.
in a while.
I like it. Feels right for today.
Fucking cool it, emo boy.
Ok, 97 ça passe. Ça passe, ça passe. Est-ce que t'as réussi toi? T'étais toute seule? J'avais pas d'autre option malheureusement, mais ça passe. Ok. On prend. On prend, on prend.
Hey. The Bone Zone pissed off the wrong gang and they're holding
Sauver l'entredieu de ses employés des griffes de Zun. Enfoncer les barricades à la station de radio. On va attendre Golem. Alors, on va mettre Golem dessus.
I'm going.
Flambeau. Ouais, on va mettre ces deux-là. Qui c'est qui va prendre un truc? Il y a personne. Ah bah si, Flambeau, mais il est occupé. Et ici, on va mettre Malévola. Et pour cette mission, donner une interview, convaincre le public. Lui, il peut être bien. Parce que malheureusement, son arrêt est occupé.
Is this thing working?
Pouvoir, qu'est-ce qu'on prend? Après avoir soigné un héros, Malévola révèle également les stats de la prochaine mission à laquelle elle est assignée. Après avoir soigné un héros, Malévola crée un portail près de la mission une fois par période de travail. Le portail dure 45 secondes après la fin de la mission. Ça c'est bien ça.
Red Ring's coordinating strikes across Torrance. Looks like they're hitting the port next.
Ah putain, il fallait que je clique sur ça, j'ai oublié. Bah, on va mettre ça et on va reprendre lui aussi. Oui, c'est trop transforme. Là, on a un souci. Vente les mérites de l'équipe. On a combien en charisme? 5. On n'a pas le choix. Ça passera pas.
Figures.
Est-ce que toi, t'as réussi ou pas? 100%, ok. Bien joué à Golem. Toujours aussi efficace en vrai. Et ici... Ah ouais non, c'est... Ouais non. C'est pas... Putain, ça passe, mais c'était complètement loupé. Pardon, j'ai pas lu.
Listen, we need to play it safe. I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
Les espionner pour déterminer leurs intentions, mais du coup on n'a pas un Visgirl. Mise sur la discrétion, on peut pas. Ce sera pas pour elle.
Now's our chance to get payback.
Ouais, ok.
Or Chase.
You honor me.
On va mettre eux, hein, on n'a pas le choix. On met tout le monde.
Fine, I'll fucking say it. What if Chase dies? If you don't shut
Lui il est en repos, est-ce que je peux l'envoyer quand même ou pas?
Holy shit, man.
Ouais,
That's
je peux l'envoyer.
dark,
Tac.
dark. I too have
Va
been
apprendre ça,
concerned
toi.
about the suboptimal outcome.
Et on va mettre les
Stop
petits
talking about
points.
it, won't make it go away.
Les petits points, intelligence,
If he dies, he'll be taken care of. That I can
vigueur
How do you know? I just did. Trust me. Girl, what the
et
fuck
combat.
even are you?
J'ai 3 persos de dispo, on va voir.
Rain is flooding our neighborhood. We need this water
Je vais
gone.
terminer à cause des inondations, agir vite avant que les maisons ne soient englouties. De toute façon, on va y foutre tout le monde. Hein. Tout le monde est occupé maintenant, au moins c'est clair, on est tranquille. Vous, j'imagine que c'est réussi. Voilà, 100%. Toi, t'as réussi à avoir un nouveau truc. Altercation ici, je l'ai pas, super. Ah, il fallait Aquaboy, hein, ouais, d'accord. Apporte des seaux, regarde si les bouches d'égout sont obstruées, vas-y. Ok, parfait. Ça passe tout juste, mais ça passe. Des petits points encore. Toi, charisme. Toi, on va mettre vigueur. Et toi, on va mettre vigueur aussi. Dernière mission, je pense. Sauver des civils, enfin, vas-y, on met tout le monde de toute façon. Ça sert à rien de chercher.
Yeah, confirmed it this morning. We're all good. Like we don't have enough fucking problems.
See you all there.
Ambiance de merde. J'imagine que vous avez réussi. Bien joué. Dix réussites, un échec. C'est bien.
Okay, team. Good shift, all things considered. See you tomorrow. Hopefully with some good news.
Oh, le chien. Putain. Trop mignon. Super. Belle ambiance.
Damn, you want farther than I thought. What are y'all looking at?
You've got a little.
Oh. Cheers,
C'est
lads. Good looking out.
quoi ce bordel?
Hello, everyone. What's going on?
What's it look like? This dumbass kicked that dumbass out the fucking door.
Okay, cool. Now that we got all of the details clear, why?
That's just a difference of opinion. I got heated, got in Golem's face. He had every right to punt me through the wall.
Right, it's a door, and I doubt you were actually in his face.
Oui, j'avoue.
Which made him easier to kick.
What the fuck is going on?
We want her out.
We basically took a board vote. That's why we're in the boardroom.
I abstained from voting as I am neither human nor reformed villain,
Ok.
nor particularly interested in this
Au
conversation.
moins c'est honnête.
I only came in as I thought we were playing Magic the Gathering tonight. I am hoping we still may.
Who wants her to stay?
Just me. But
Que Golem.
the team is more important than any one of us, so I won't stand in the way.
You could have led with that.
We heard about the suspension bullshit. It ain't enough, Robert. Not for what she did. To put everything we've been
Bah oui,
building
non,
up
mais
to
là,
step
dans tous les
on
cas,
hold.
il faut
I
la
like
virer,
the
c'est
bitch,
sûr.
but she gotta go.
And by go, we mean cut. Just like you cut Coop. No one here wants to say it's also her. But that's what it is. You've caught one of us already for far less. And
Ouais, non,
why?
c'est vrai. Pour le
To
coup,
send a message to set a
tout le monde a
standard?
raison là-dedans. Hein.
Where's that talk now?
Pourquoi elle est allée déjà? Pourquoi?
Look, I probably don't say this enough, but I'm proud of all of you. How far you've come. A few months ago, you wouldn't have been in a room like this discussing the needs of the Z team, and if you did,
Oui, c'est vrai de
it'd be
fou en
a
plus
lot
ça.
more than one broken door. So, I'm not putting all of that at risk for one person who can't keep up. I've done my best to salvage things and work with her, but as you know, this isn't the first time Invisigal has put us at risk.
Mm.
But it'll be the last. I'll let Blazer know of your decision. And I'll let her know I support it.
Pas le choix. Putain, Golem, ça me touche qu'il était contre la virée, c'est fou. Elle était là. Je regrette un peu. Mais en même temps, je sais pas, c'est compliqué. Hein.
I can come back.
Why? First time we met, you were in your underwear. Fitting, right? Last time you see me, that I'd be in mine? I heard everything. You don't have to double fire me, okay? I'm going.
Bah, c'est juste que c'est... Pourquoi? Pourquoi avoir fait ça?
I really care about you. Okay? And I can't have you
Les
walking
décisions sont
out of
dures.
here not knowing that. I tried my best. Really. And I think I tried the most with you. But it wasn't enough. I wasn't enough. Which is why this is on me. Okay, I failed you. And I hope one day you can forgive me for letting you down.
They're right. I don't deserve anyone's forgiveness. Anyone's help, anyone's love. Because I can never repay it. Nothing I do will ever make up for what I've already done to you. I'd hoped getting the astral
C'est
pulse
compliqué, là.
back would help, but I couldn't even do that.
Vizzy, you don't owe anyone anything, okay? Least of all me.
I was there that night.
What are you saying?
I I never ran with crews. Always did my own thing, but my asthma was getting worse, and they had an augment that could increase my lung capacity. Only catch is I'd have to work for them, paying down for years.
Attends, quoi? Non. Elle fait partie de l'équipe de Spectre?
Then one day Shroud came to me and said I could have the whole deck cleared if I was able to do one thing. Place a bomb on the back of Mecha Man undetected.
Ah d'accord.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Putain, elle nous a condamnés. What the fuck?
I quit the moment I placed it. I walked out before it even blew. My augments conveniently stopped working. So I signed up for the Phoenix program the next day. Which gave me the chance to fuck your life up twice. You gonna say something?
Oh la vache.
Well, I forgive you. So there, will you fucking chill out now?
You can't fucking forgive
Ah ouais,
me?
d'accord, what the
You
fuck?
haven't even, like, processed what's going on.
You did villain shit while you were a villain. Does it change things that you directed at me? No, it doesn't. That's in the past.
Ça, il a raison,
You're
hein.
not the same person that was there that night, neither am I.
That's sweet, but all I wanted from this was for you to look at me the same way you look at Blazer. Even if it was just once, you know? That'd have been enough.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Elle est amoureuse quoi.
You do.
Elle est complètement brisée. Complètement brisée la pauvre. C'est terrible. Ah yes, super. Bah non en fait. C'est ciao.
Courtney.
Je pense qu'il y a beaucoup de décisions qui sont compliquées à prendre avec la mort de Chase. Hein. Enfin, la possible mort de Chase. Là, je pense qu'il y a beaucoup de choses qui... C'est peut-être le nombre de décisions qui doivent beaucoup changer entre les gens. De manière générale, c'est sur cet épisode-là, à mon avis. Tu gères pas de la même manière un événement aussi grave que ce qui s'est passé avec lui, quoi. Oh là là, c'est trop mignon. C'est dur, hein. En fait, je suis pas forcément... Je suis un peu perdu dans mes propres décisions que je viens de prendre là. Vis-à-vis d'écouter l'équipe, de la virer. Je sais pas. Bolide, je pense. Bah quand même, hein. Putain la vache. Oh, c'est dur là les décisions, je trouve. Hein. Moralement, il y a... Enfin, t'as juste envie de penser à toi, quoi. Et à Chase, surtout.
I mean, I hope they all die. I'm serious. Any dumbass walking into a trap that fucking stupid should have the plug pulled right now. Just pillows over faces.
Oh man, have you seen what the poison does to
Très
their
chaud.
faces? They get all red and puffy. All right.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. I've been distracting you.
Un verre.
Get me another drink. I smashed mine.
Sure. You all right? You seem perturbed.
Fuck. I know what's going on. Kid probably lost someone there. He's always been staring at that shit all night. Get him a drink on me.
Le pouce en l'air en mode Terminator. Ah bordel.
Oh my.
Bolide, ouais.
Trackstar. That guy sucks. I was fast, but now I'm old. Get fucked.
Cheers, fellas, to the fucking dream. To 5 minutes with the tightest ass in all of LA County.
Super, nickel. Ah ouais. Oh la vache.
You motorboat an
Il est
ass?
chaud.
Probably not, right? End up blowing air right up her butthole.
Y'en a, il va prendre une torgnole là.
What's up? You don't like
Allez tiens, prends dans ta gueule, histoire qu'on y aille. Non non, vas-y banco, franchement. Franchement banco, hein.
Not as far as I was gonna take it, but good on you, kid. I'm gonna replace that drink.
Quoi? Hein?
I respect her. Blazer. Real fucking superhero. I know we're in a villain bar, but have some class, you know.
C'est-à-dire.
If you're gonna blow some fucker's brains out, non-slip mats are a must. Need some for the hideout. Feels silly calling it a hideout.
C'est lui, machin là?
Can you take care of him for me? Obviously, you two don't need an introduction.
With pleasure.
Oh putain, c'était sûr. Non mais c'était évident que Cooper allait revenir en méchante. Frère, c'était évident. Suspect, putain, bâtard.
Chase. Your little team of turncoats. You think you can beat the bad by being good. But there's no solving human nature. You can't stop.
Oh yo yo, j'aime trop le méchant, ouais.
Is control it.
I believe him, boss. If he had something to say, he would have said it by now.
I thought you wanted revenge. This was your father's gun.
Oh wow.
Kept it in his locker, fully loaded. 6 shots. He couldn't have predicted I'd use it to kill him. The first bullet grazed his shoulder. I hadn't adjusted to the adrenaline spike. The second hit his upper chest. The third burst his heart. He was lying on the floor, eyes full of fear, when I put the fourth through his face. A bit of a waste to put the fifth through that idiot's skull, but I wanted to make sure it worked after all these years. Your father was the last person to touch this bullet. now. There's a 16.5% chance it touches you next. Your invisible girlfriend stole my astral pulse to give it to you. Where the fuck is it? Mega Man. Heroes.
Je vais te buter. Je vais te buter.
I'll kill you. That's cute. This is why I hate luck. Runs out.
If I had it, why'd I let you string me up like a fucking piñata? She didn't get the pulse.
Qui l'a récupéré? Il était à terre.
Show him.
Elle l'a récupéré?
Invisibitch has the pulse. That I know. What I don't know is why she didn't give it to you. She played you too. Here I am thinking she's working with you, but she's fucking us both. She didn't take it for you. She took it for herself.
Ouais, ok. Ok, ok.
She fooled me too.
Ok. Aurore. Oh. What the fuck?
The blonde blazer. I fired the bartender, but I can still get you something to drink.
No, thank you.
Oh yo yo.
Do I owe the pleasure?
I'm here for him. In 5 minutes, this bar will be surrounded by SDN agents, heroes, and whoever else you and your ring have pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles.
Ah oui.
Now, if...
Okay, Mom. She's fucking bluffing.
Oh, t'aurais dû fermer ta gueule, toi.
Sorry about that. If they weren't shit, you wouldn't have cut them.
Ah oui, d'accord.
I can see I'm outnumbered.
Oh, ça va partir en
That
couille.
eventually I would fall. But by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me.
Oh oui, non mais oui, bah oui.
So all of you can leave now,
Incroyable.
or half of you can die here.
Now that's a fucking superhero. Chills. Top notch. You made them nervous. Okay, we're out of here.
Comme ça.
Take your piss-soaked pants out the back, please.
What the fuck?
Don't want to tempt this tiger.
Oh, elle est trop stylée.
Now's not our time, Blazer. But it's coming sooner than you think. Oh. And by my calculations, it was closer to 32%. But half sounds better.
Wow. C'est dur, hein. La vache.
You saved me. Again.
Yeah. You should really sign up for this SDN service, I guess.
Oui, pas faux.
Don't worry. I've got
On a appris beaucoup de choses dans cet épisode. Hein. Vraiment beaucoup de choses.
She cut you pretty bad. Are you sure he's right about Invisigal?
Eh, c'était des vraies images ou pas? C'est ça la question.
What is her play? Why wouldn't she tell you if she has it? I don't understand what she would want it for unless...
Bah pour le coup j'ai envie de lui faire confiance, c'est bizarre.
Out of the suit.
Ah merde, j'ai pas cliqué, attends.
Everything hurts. At the moment, I'm finding it hard to care.
Ah, that's one of the tricks of the gig. You can't stop.
Oui, bah, c'est pas ce que je voulais répondre à la base, mais oui.
You're probably right. Just need to sit here for like
quelques semaines.
Then I'll be right as rain.
Take your time. I don't know how you're conscious.
See, when the pain's constant,
C'est pas faux.
Easier to get used to. That goes for physical and emotional. Ow. Really is nice up here. Thank you. Don't remember if I've thanked you before, but
About 50 times. You were muttering it the whole flight.
then I take it back.
You should know I was going to take you to the actual Hollywood sign. Not as sturdy as you.
Ah. Oula. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh non, toxique. Oh yo yo. L'armure.
You're not leaving me here again.
J'aime trop les deux. Je les aime beaucoup trop. Ça va envoyer du sale pour le dernier. Ça va envoyer du sale pour le dernier. Le dernier quoi? Le dernier chapitre. Pour moi c'est un épisode de série. La prochaine fois on se retrouve pour le grand final. C'est toujours aussi incroyable. Toujours aussi incroyable. C'est une dinguerie. Et là vraiment on était sur un épisode qui était en plus compliqué hein, émotionnellement. Même moi je suis pas sûr de 100% des choix que j'ai dû prendre. Je pense qu'il y a eu tellement de facteurs d'un coup et peu de temps d'analyse pour répondre sincèrement aux questions. Je pense que c'est surtout les premières intuitions qui sont arrivées. Je sais pas si c'était bien, si c'était pas bien. Je pense que c'était pas calculé, ça c'est sûr. Au moins je suis fixé là-dessus. Mais putain, il y a pas un épisode où t'es un peu tranquille, il y a pas un épisode où t'es pas amené par tout un tas d'événements et d'émotions différents. C'est une dinguerie sans nom. Ce jeu est une masterclass dans tous les sens du terme. Bon, c'était la fin de l'épisode 7. Du coup, on se retrouve très très vite pour la fin du let's play avec le dernier épisode. J'espère vraiment que le studio est en train de bosser sur une saison 2, malgré le fait que ça ne soit que leur deuxième jeu officiellement, parce que je me suis enfin renseigné sur qui ils étaient. J'espère qu'ils y bossent quand même dessus. Je pense qu'ils ne s'attendaient pas à un tel succès. On verra bien, de toute façon. Pouce bleu, petit abonnement, et on se retrouve pour le dernier épisode très très vite. C'était votre Captain. À la prochaine.